Welcome, my friends. We are going to be making a dolphin today. So this is a dolphin mold I have. And I have some little shells, I have some bigger shells, and I have some blue resin I had made up with some 1 drop of midnight blue and about 4 drops of the azure blue. And I got about 8 ounces of resin here. And I have some fairy lights. So we're going to put the fairy lights down into the dolphin's tail. And then we'll just kind of wrap these lights in here, and then we'll start adding some shells. Here we go. Let's see here. Okay, so we will add some shells here. Make sure that that light is down there in his tail. There we go. Make sure it stays down there. Now we'll just start adding some shells. We'll probably get a little bit of sand in there too. We'll have all kinds of shells in here. He's going to be the awesome shell dolphin. Make sure I got him where you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just dropping shells in here so that they hold the lights in there. There we go. Get a little color. Okay, now we'll add some resin and kind of mix it up a little bit. See if we can get all the, we'll have air bubbles. There's nothing we can do about that because the shells are gonna hold some air, but I'm gonna move them around, try to get as much air out as possible. Sometimes I put the shells all in the resin first, but these shells are bigger, so I think I'll be okay. Okay, let's see here. Let's get some more shells in here. So we're going to have us a shell dolphin. Make sure we get all the air out of places. Throw a little sea glass in there. And we'll stick some more shells. This is a pretty messy project, but that's okay. Sometimes that just happens when you're trying to be creative. Sometimes you make a mess. I wasn't sure how much resin this was going to take, so I made up 8 ounces. So I knew I had enough, and what's left, I'll make something else with. Okay. It's time for some more resin. Add more shells and try to hold those wires down. Okay. And let's see. Add a few more. A little bit of sand. A little bit of sand never hurts anything. Gives a little texture. Sometimes I'll fill the bottom of these with sand. These down. Okay. Now we'll just fill some holes. And I think that could probably be it. I'll just finish this off with some resin. I'm gonna leave this like this, so when it starts getting as soft, almost set, then I'll take and I'll push that down into the resin. So I'm just going to top this off now. I'll watch for bubbles as they come up for about the next hour or so. Okay, get this all topped off here. And I think this will be set. And we will be back for, see, there's bubbles coming up. And I'll be back for demold. He's going to be so cute. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm just going to be going through here, just kind of moving around, poking them around, making sure all the air bubbles are out. That one's floating, so it's got an air bubble in there. And there it comes out. Come on, air bubble, there you go. Okay, this looks good. And I'll see you back here for demold. Okay, we're back for demold. We're going to demold this dolphin. See how he turned out. See if I can get it started here. I don't want to pull on the wires. Okay. Let's get him started here. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. I'm praying for no bubbles, so we'll see how it turned out here. So far it looks good. All right, come on, tail. Well, gotta get his tail out here. Almost there. There we go. Oh my goodness. Is he so cute? Look at that. No bubbles. Got a little trimming to do on the bottom. But look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see what it looks like with lights. Let's take some lights down here. Turn that one off. Look at there. Isn't that gorgeous? How cute. I love it. Okay, we'll turn the lights back on. Okay, so what do you think? I'll get some pictures of him. I'll trim it all up. But look at that. That is so cute. And I want to thank you guys for coming and watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment. Let me know what you think of this dolphin. I think he's absolutely gorgeous. All right. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time.